Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. You do not need to have a luxury closet to have a luxury shoe organization.
If you are tired of shoe chaos, then you need these shoe slot organizers from FENRUNXU. It is a super clever organizer that saves 50% of your closet space with a sleek, transparent design that helps keep your favorite pairs of shoes neat, organized, and visible. It has three adjustable heights that make it versatile enough for heels or even flats. The durable acrylic means they're going to stay in place, they're sturdy and stylish, and they will match any decor. I love that you can style them facing out or in, but they are going to keep your shoes visible so you can match them to any of your outfits, and it just makes my closet look so much better.
If you are ready to organize your shoe collection, then get these shoe organizers. They are the perfect thing for a shoe lover, and that's my point of view.